My recipe today is very simple, it's very cheap, it's very fast, and it is called Senfeier, or also called Eier in Senfsoße. What does that mean? It means mustard eggs or eggs in mustard sauce. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. We need eggs, mustard, milk, some butter, flour, a little bit of salt and some pepper. For the mustard you can use whatever you have, but it will probably taste most authentic if you use German mustard. And if you want to make mustard yourself, there's a recipe here where you can learn how to make your own mustard. I start with boiling the eggs. And I want these eggs to be hard-boiled, or what we call wachsweich, soft like wax. So that refers to the egg yolk being a little bit soft still, not entirely cooked through. So that's where you want to go. I will actually boil these eggs right behind me on the big stove, because otherwise the steam will go into the lens of the overhead camera here. And then next I will melt the butter in a pot like this, and I'm basically making a roll, so you're probably familiar with how to do this. So once the butter is molten, I'm adding the flour. And I give it a moment and let it sweat. That's how we call it, schwitzen lassen. It's in Germany, the roux is called Mehlschwitze. So now little by little I'm adding the milk, just a bit at a time. And if you're wondering about the quantities, there is a recipe that you can print out on my blog, and the link for that recipe is at the very end of this video. So, and now I'll bring this to a boil. This is, by the way, a recipe that is often used in school kitchens. So either when they're teaching kids how to cook, but also for the lunch option in German schools. So let me tell you a little bit about the mustard that I have here. So this mustard today is a honey mustard. You could as well use a spicy mustard, and any mustard that you like. A lot of people like to add a little bit of sugar or honey to their sauce to make it a little bit more sweet. Other people want to increase the taste of the mustard by using a little bit of lemon juice or a little bit of vinegar. That also increases the taste. The typical side for this dish is boiled potatoes, but some people also use rice. So I take this off the heat. And now I'm adding the mustard. Just throw it in here. So now let's see how it tastes. This is really good. This is childhood memory. I have not made this recipe in quite a while, but every time I make it, it's like, oh yes, that's what it was like. I don't know, do you have any dishes that remind you of your childhood? I have quite a few of them. Okay, so the egg should be ready now. I will take them off the stove and peel them. The potatoes will probably need a few more minutes, and then I will show you how we serve this. So this, as I said, is served with either potatoes or some rice, and then we just add the sauce. and the eggs. And then there is that some people add some fried onions. And I like to have a little bit of green here with that. And this is how it is served. It is a very easy, very quick recipe. You probably have everything you need in your pantry. I hope you liked this. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and watch some more of my videos. Thank you for watching.